Tonight, mental health cases continue to rise across Fort Wayne due to COVID-19 pressures. Fox 55's Mallory Beard is live in the studio tonight to tell us more about the conditions of mental health care providers and how much they can give when patients are calling on them more often.
Yes, Chris, I spoke with mental health care staff members who say cases have indeed increased since COVID-19 hit, but they've adjusted to patients' concerns because they see the need is great.
People have said that 2020 has been the worst year ever, and I disagree with it because I've been so impressed with the resiliency of the people that we work with.
Headwaters Counseling Executive Director Stephen Gerald says he's proud of the nearly 1,000 patients he and his staff have treated this year. They've seen a surge in cases since the pandemic.
Like last December, January, our services had dropped some, and we were down to probably 600 or 700. And so, they've gone up 30%, 35%.
Gerald says the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a surge in mental health cases, increasing the need for staff and provoking current staff to revamp their services for patients.
We're scheduling people as quickly as we can. We've hired a few new staff, and we're running at full capacity right now. But as far as staff-wise, and we can keep getting people in.
Both Headwaters Counseling and the Bowen Center implemented teletherapy in the spring when COVID-19 hit Northeast Indiana.
If people feel more comfortable seeing us from home, they can either use video or they can use telephone.
The Bowen Center Dr. Robert Ryan says teletherapy was the only option for their staff and patients between March and September. Difficult for patients who needed to meet in person and for staff who helped by reading body language.
And what we've really done and seen is to try and focus on non-judgmental, help you where you're at, when you're ready help.
Ryan says the pandemic has driven some patients back into habits of substance abuse and isolation. But Gerald says there's still a silver lining for those who sought therapy during a pandemic.
They realize there's something different going on here, and they want to make the best of it. And they want to be the best for their family and best for their friends and themselves.
Now, both Headwaters Counseling and the Bowen Center have emergency 24-hour call lines if you're in need of assistance. The numbers are right there on your screen. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Mallory Beard, Fox 55 News.
All right, thanks.